Bro, if you got a TV and it look like this, I'm finna show y'all how to fix that motherfucker. I look like I only got a half a face. But look, let me go back. I'ma show y'all, bro. The TV look like this, right? Now, bro, y'all might think I'm tripping. But all you need, bro, all you need to fix this TV, bro, I'm gonna go back. And I'm gonna show y'all, bro. This is what the TV look like. 40-inch. Yeah, it's old school. We going goddamn Mitsubishi. But look, let me show y'all, bro. This is all you need. If you got a washer and dryer, you wash clothes, you know what this is, bro. You know what this is. You put this in your dryer to make your shit, the fabric softener. Type shit. Something. Forgot what it's called, but yeah, y'all know what this called. You put this in your dryer when you're drying clothes to make them smell good. But I'm gonna show y'all what to do, bro. Now, what you want to do is take it. I think it's like fibers inside of this mother that activate. They like electricity. Watch how the TV start tripping. You gotta massage that shit in, bro. You just gotta find the right spot. Now, don't do it too hard, bro, because it might go all black. You just gotta find the right spot. Massage it in, bro. And if you've been doing this shit, you'll know. You see how it's that white. You just gotta take your time and massage it. If you tried this, you know this shit don't work. So just, yeah.